everyone, I'm going to show you how to enable Twitch Drops for Riot Games. So to enable Twitch Drops for Riot Games, games like Valorant or League of Legends, you just need to connect your Riot account to your Twitch account and watch eligible streams. So here's the fastest setup. So go to twitch.tv, and once you're in here, click your profile icon at the top right. Now go to settings. Next, what you need to do is to click connections. Scroll down until you see Riot Games. Then click on connect and just log in with your Riot account and authorize the connection. And that's basically it. Your accounts are now linked. You can go ahead and go to Riot Games and click my account and go to settings. Now once you're in here, go to connected accounts and see if you're connected to Twitch. So if you see the Twitch app in here, that means you're already connected. Now, after linking, let's go back to Twitch, and you're gonna watch streams with the drops enabled tag. So stay logged in into the correct Twitch account, and you can claim your rewards in your Twitch Drops and rewards page. So just click your profile and go to Drops and Rewards. So rewards usually appear in game within a few minutes to 48 hours. And that's basically it. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.